We just got to get down a little bit of embankment, guys. See that? Oh, we'll go around that way. And that'll... She's arguing with me now, guys.
Ow! You hit me with a branch.
You hit yourself with a branch.
Oh! See? Again.
See what she's like, guys? Good afternoon. Well, I might as well say good evening now, YouTubers. We're back again. We're actually in the same exact area as the last set of falls. Now, what was confusing about this set, guys, is it's pretty much right across the road from the last set. And this set is called Lower Guns Brook Falls. Now, it's still out New Harris Road. Missy would stay beside me so I can get her in the frame here with me. Yeah, it's still out New Harris Road. And as I say, it's just across the street from Camp Carter Falls.
Oh, I'm checking in here because I know of a good little path and you don't.
Yeah, well, you have to see one that's walked. There's nothing in there that's walked. So we'll come up here and check first.
Yeah, you don't know how to pick the good ones.
So yeah, guys, she found the last path to get in there, but now she thinks she's the wildlife expert and the trail hunter. The great trail hunter. So we're gonna head in here and try and find a pathway down to this one. This one is pretty dangerous, guys. I was over looking across the bank at it. As you can see right here, like, look at that drop off. That's really, really steep. And we're not getting hurt trying to get down and find a set of falls for you guys. I will step over here. There's your set of falls. Lower Guns Brook Falls. And there's another one right over there. No, you can't go that way, baby. Come on. So guys, I'm just going to head down here for a minute and see if there's a trail. No trail that way. No trail that way. We're better off coming over this way, look, and then head down. I promise you that we're going to make it down to this set of falls because it's very dangerous there. That's probably at least 100-foot drop off or more. And no, it's not worth it. It's not worth our lives.
Well, at least we got one anyway.
Yeah, we got one. If I have to, I'll just cross the bridge and go over near the edge and run down a bit to film it. But yeah, I think that's what we're going to have to end up doing. You can get down here a bit. Come on this way. Hey, go the way you're coming. Okay. Not really. It's not really a path, dear. It's all grown in here. It's not a path. Doesn't look like a path. No, it isn't. There's no path there. So yeah, guys, there has to be some way down to this set of falls because it's a marked set of falls on Google Maps.
The water's right over here.
Huh? Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Go down this way. Head down this way.
Okay, slowly because my leg and my...
Walk sideways. That's the best bet.
my arm.
Walk sideways. If you walk forward, you're going to end up running.
Oh, I got my phone in my hand, so it's not...
Put it in your pocket.
I can't take it out of my phone.
Okay. Come on. Help little Missy through the trail here.
What?
Talking about you.
Oh.
Instead of helping little Missy through the trail. Through the bush. All kinds of downfall in here, guys. All kinds of downfall. And little Missy doesn't like crawling over downfall. She hates crawling over downfall. See? Come on.
It's not funny over there.
Yeah.
See it. Watch my arm.
I was making fun of
I
you.
know you were. Oh, I lost my shoe. Oh, I found it. Give me a second. I gotta get my shoe back on.
She lost and found her shoe, guys.
Okay,
Okay. Now just remember, the falls are to the left. So we'll work our way down a bit and keep heading toward the left. So yeah, guys, when we come out of that other set of falls, that big loud noise happened again. It's like some sort of siren or something. Man, it was loud. At first I thought it was like a howl. It's kind of like a big animal's howl.
I hear it.
Now, we are known, guys, to have Bigfoot around here.
Okay.
We can go over and down that way.
I can hear this. I'll hear this.
Come this way too, look. It's not too bad. This will bring us down quite a ways. Yeah, we can get to the bottom from here. Give me your hand. Okay? Yeah, you don't want to go that way. You're going up the bank. You want to come down the bank. Give me your hand in case you fall. Hold tight.
Yeah, you gotta watch. I can't.
Hold tight.
One thing at a time. Don't go
That's
far.
what I'm doing. Take your time. She's arguing with me now, guys.
Ow! You hit me with a branch.
You hit yourself with a branch.
Oh! See? Again.
See what she's like, guys? Yeah, you wish. You wish there was a $50 bill. Man, what a woman. What a woman, guys.
Oh.
All you single guys, I envy you. Come on, woman. Step over it. Yes. Step over. She's almost there. She's a time consumer, guys. She's a time consumer. Mm-hmm. This out of your way. Back up a little bit. Let me get this out of your way. There. There you go. Come on. There you go.
How do you mean by that?
I said they're lucky.
Why are they lucky?
They don't got to put up with a woman like you.
Oh, well, you could go get another one.
Come on, this way. Where are you going?
Let's go find a woman.
You don't need a woman. You got one.
You don't need these all the single guys out there.
Give me your hand. Weirdo. Don't do that. She almost pushed me down the bank, guys. And she got a laugh on her like a hyena, a cackle.
Be quiet. I will push you.
She has a cackle like a hyena. Maybe she's the witch of Black Brook.
Maybe when we were there, it wasn't in my body.
The Black Brook witch. So we might not get up to these falls. Yeah, we should, I guess. This doesn't look too bad. Come on. Don't go that way. Go this way. That way's steeper. Come on. What are you doing?
Looking in the hole there.
Oh my dear Lord. Oh, I'm watching it. Where's it going? Come on.
Don't pull on that arm.
Oh, I'm going to pull on your arm. All right. So you don't hurry up. Oh, no, this is going to be such a funny episode for everybody. They're going to laugh at you. She's such a whiny complainerton. Now, easiest way across. Probably here, I guess. Yeah, I guess right here, babe. Just watch where you're walking, that's all. There, then here. then here, and grab the tree, and up on the log, okay? But the log is slippery, it's icy. Just hook your foot underneath it, your toes. There, come across. It's not that hard. Yep, step on that one. And step on the next one. Come on. Step on the next one. Next one. Yeah. Now put your foot up here and hook your toe under this log. Look who I got across. So now we're going to head this way, guys, if we can get up here. I don't know if we can, but we're going to try. I mean, man, we got this far. We're not going to give up now. We're almost there. Probably going to get wet here. The easiest way across would probably be like this. Yeah, look. Put your foot here. Like that. It's not easy. It's not easy. I can grab your hand. You put your foot here, I'll grab your hand and pull you. You're just going to wait there then? Okay guys, we're on our own, I guess. I don't know if I can make it up here. Look what I'm contending with. This is what I'm contending with, guys. I've got to get up around that corner. I don't know if I can do it. I really don't know if I can make it, guys. I don't think these rocks are slippery. They're really slippery. Maybe if I go that way. Maybe. Maybe if I back up and go the other way. Maybe if I go this way, I might be able to get across. Okay, I'm across. I'm across. Wow, these are very slippery, guys. I just got my hand soaking wet. Trying to make it through here. It's not easy. It's really not easy. It really isn't easy, guys. So, have a look. This is now where I'm at. I'd like to be across that side now, but I don't think I'm going to get over there. I'm going to have a time getting back. I'm really going to have a job getting back. Trying to get up here for you guys. As I said before, the things you'll do for a YouTube video. Like, wow. This is so slippery. So slippery, guys. Full of moss. The rocks are just full of moss. There's no way I'm getting up there, so you guys got a view here though. So check that out. I'm gonna have to film the falls from the other side for you guys. Up the top of the bank. Because I know I'm not crossing this. There's no possible way I'm getting across this without getting wet, guys. No way. I'd be able to cross the guardrail, but I'd get drowned right there. So, think for a minute here. I might be able to cross the log and then hop up here. Maybe. Look at the rock. Have a look at that. Isn't that something? And this is the area. Just look at that. It looks like a little cave in there. It really looks like a cave. See that, guys? I wonder, is there anything in there? That's something else. Yeah, there's I came from way down there. Laura's still down there waiting. So I know I'm not getting up this way. I'm going to try over here. I'm going to give it a quick go. If I can't make it, I'm getting out of here, guys. And I'll try and film it from the top. But I can't promise. I can't promise you guys. This log is pretty rickety. And I don't have great balance. I can tell you that. I made it across. This is wet. Really wet and slippery. Really wet and slippery, guys. I made it further. So look at that. I made it up. Now I gotta get off of there. Like, man, does this ever get any easier for me? I don't know about this, guys. It's just not getting easier. Seems to be getting harder. The further I go, the harder it gets. Well, I know I'm not getting any further here. I can't cross this. I don't know, that's too slippery. I'm not getting soaking wet. Oh, there's your falls, guys. This is about as close as I'm going to get for you. So I'm going to lean back here, situate my camera. I'm going to zoom in for you. There you go. Lower Gunbrook Falls, guys. There's your second set of waterfalls. And that's about the best I can do for you guys today. I fought to get up here. So I'm going to shut my cam down until I get back because it's a little harder with the camera. Actually, no. I'll see if I can get back without shutting it down, I guess. I know half of you guys are probably thinking, fall in the water, fall. I don't want to fall in the water, man. The camera's too expensive. This isn't easy, guys. Certainly not easy. Climbing up these rocks. Really not easy. And I'd hate to fall. I really don't want to fall. Okay. Now I gotta get down. Okay, made it that far. Whew! I made it, guys. Now I gotta cross. Cross the brook. I'm still not past the hardest perch yet, though. Now I gotta get back down there. I had to creep my way up here. And I mean creep. It wasn't easy. It really wasn't easy getting over here. Man. I don't know how that far. Okay. Okay. Trying to get around these now, guys. Cool. Almost slipped. How did I get across this? Wow. I don't know how I got across this. Oh man. Guys, this isn't easy. This really isn't easy. It's a hard climb across. I tell you that. It's a really hard climb across. It's challenging, that's for sure. It's really certainly challenging, guys. It's a challenge. And I've done this for you guys. So, finally made it. As you can see, I was way up around that corner. Then I went up that way and over a bit more to get to show you guys those falls. And I'm sweating now, guys. I'm really sweating. It's quite the challenge. Come on, babe. Ooh. I told you she doesn't know how to stay. Look. Look where she's at. Come on. I told you guys, she doesn't listen. You tell her to wait somewhere, she'll go roaming around. She does it to me all the time. Don't ever go to a mall with her. Oh. You go look at something in the mall and you can stay there for 5 seconds, turn around, she's gone. Come on. You'll see when you watch the video. Cut my hair today, guys, shaved my head, going bald. What if I just take some boulders and throw them in here, so you can make it to there and then across?
Well, we'll see.
That'd be the easiest way. Here, take that and talk to the camera for a minute.
I can't, I'm too weak. See what I go through. Whew. Well, I can't lift like he can. Nice, eh? Too bad the weather.
I made it up to it.
What?
I made it up to the falls.
Yeah, beautiful. I'll have pictures on there later. The only thing is, I don't only got sneakers on, so my shoes are kind of slippery for this. I just got to figure an easy way. I think Kevin's trying to make it harder for me. Got to be an easier way to get out of here than the way he's doing it. You guys, some of you people, are you ready for Christmas? I know some of you guys don't celebrate. You got your own little celebration. What do you guys do for Christmas?
Some of you don't celebrate Christmas, remember?
Yeah, I definitely just said some people don't. I like looking at the lights, going around people's houses like they have it all decorated. It's pretty nice. Look at them. I don't know. If I don't make it out there, you know why. That seems still deep and slippery, guys. He doesn't have a bad knee. He doesn't. Slippery. I wanted to take this path. What?
Across the easy across.
I don't.
Easy.
I'll try, but if not, I'll go my way.
Okay, guys. I made a little path there to get across. A lot easier.
Gotta take me off camera.
So, had to do that for her so she could find an easy way across. Just watch this one. This one's a little bit slippery, okay? Come on. Come on. You're going to end up falling in. Come on. Oh, man, I'm sweating. No, there is no different way, dear. Come on. This is the easiest route. Come on, look. There's a path of them right there I made for you. There's no other way across down here, guys, but she thinks she's going to get across by coming down here. Look, like she thinks she's going to get across down here. And there's no way across. See that? Now look. Now she's actually going to attempt it. It's starting to get dark out. She's going to have us trapped down here in the night if she doesn't hurry up and get across this brook. Ah, step on the top of it. Up, yeah. Come on. There you go. See? Easy. Come on. Man, that woman's hard, guys. She's very hard. Hard-headed woman. Okay, so we're gonna stop here till we get up the top of this hill, guys, and we'll be back in a minute. The only thing I forgot here, guys, is to take a thumbnail. See, it was just too hard to work my way up to those falls. Just slipped my mind. Now I'm gonna have to get home.
Did you make it up? Load
this video onto my phone and take a screenshot. Yeah, I made it pretty near up to it. Okay. I got the falls in the film anyway. I got to shoot them. I didn't make it right up to them. You can't get right up unless you want to get wet. Oh, yeah. Oh boy, the sweat is just pouring off my forehead. Come on. So yeah, guys, it's getting dark. It's pretty near 4 o'clock here now in the afternoon. It gets dark around 4 here now. Oh, winter months. I hate winter. I don't like it one bit. Now if I had a snow bike, it'd be a different story. I like motocross, guys. That's my thing. I had myself a CRF 450R Honda. That's what I broke my femur on racing. Very first race, guys. 3rd lap. I was in 4th place. Catching up on the 3rd place guy. I hit the finish line jump. And when I landed, the front tire scrubbed out from underneath me. I went down. Got pinned under the bike, and when I got up, I just picked the bike up to my waist height, looked over that jump, and there's another guy in midair, and I just froze. And he hit me directly in the hip. And when he hit me, it picked me up about 4 feet in the air, threw me back 12 feet. So I was in midair like Superman flying backwards. I remember landing on my ass and my elbows. I tried to get up. I couldn't. And all I could think of was there's more bikes coming. So I tried to roll off of the track. I couldn't move. Once I tried to roll, I felt pain. And I just stopped dead. I was like, oh, if I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I guess. But luckily, They caught it and stopped the race.
Hold on, don't move.
Put your foot down. Okay, let my hand go for a sec. Go that way. So yeah, I couldn't move. I was pretty much done.
Go away.
Up here, I guess. Yeah, I was pretty much toast, guys, and luckily they seen it and stopped the race. And the medic took me in the tent and put ice on me for 2 hours on my hip. And she said, when I'm done, if you can get up and walk, it's not broke.
I don't remember this way.
It wasn't. We come a different way. Just step up on them.
I can't.
So yeah, I got up and I walked. I even
I
stayed the rest of the day and flagged the rest of the race for them.
can. Thank my knees enough.
And I ended up going home. Step down. I ended up going home, guys, and going to bed. And I remember waking up in the middle of the night screaming in pain. Like the most worst pain you could ever feel. That's what I felt. Come on, just follow me. We're heading this way, look. We're heading this way.
Yeah, we take the same way.
Oh, I don't know the same way, dear. Go this way. So yeah, guys, I remember waking up screaming in pain. And I had to wait till the next morning because outpatients wasn't opened. Come on, dear. Never mind standing there looking through the woods.
No, I was looking through that way.
Yeah, I'm not going in somebody's yard. That's their property.
Nobody else.
There's a house there. Yeah, guys, I remember waking up screaming in pain, and I had to wait until the next morning to go to outpatients because our hospital here is closed down. It's only open certain hours now, the emergency room. We're on a shortage of doctors on the island here, and they're ending up closing down all the emergency rooms on us all the time. Come on. So that's what I had to go through. I had to deal with the pain all night. There is no same way, dear. You gotta track all the way back around to find that way. You just have to follow me. This is the end of it right here. As soon as you cross this. Come on, give me your hand. I'll help you up. Step. Come on. Step on the branch. Yep, step on it. Yep, there you go. Okay, guys, we're up out of here. So yeah, where was I? I had to wait till the next day. I went to the hospital. They gave me a shot of morphine right away and brought me down for x-rays. And when I seen the x-rays, there's a big chunk of bone round like that right on my hip where the femur meets the hip bone. And that chunk is about that big, and it's just torn off of my femur at the ball. And they wouldn't operate. It's still in there floating around. It gets dramatically sore half the time. Car's over here, baby. So yeah, I'm going to head over and show them the falls. Okay, here. Take the keys too, you can get in the car. So yeah, that was my story. The start and the finish of my race career. Pretty much destroyed my bike when he hit me. It took the subframe of the bike and pushed it right in underneath the seat. So yeah, that's about it. I was laid up for an entire summer. Couldn't walk. Couldn't do anything really. I was pretty much toast for that year, guys. toast. So here I'm heading down here. I can't make it over there. No, there's no way. No, I can't get down there, guys. But there you go. Subscribe, comment, notifications, and we'll catch you later.